Beyond stabilizing, the Foothills real estate market did some fascinating things in 2019. It took longer for homes to sell in 2019. Days on market were up to 42 throughout the Foothills. This is in large part due to an increase in inventory of 9.5%. The really interesting thing about the 2019 housing market was home prices and how they changed or did not change depending on where your home was located. Check this out. In Evergreen, homes only appreciated by 0.4% throughout the year. This was the exact same for Bailey. Conifer and Pine were a totally different story. In Conifer, homes appreciated by 9.4%. In Pine, 10.3%. The metro average was 3.5% on the year. This makes this statistically significant. For homeowners, the thing to take from this is that location does matter. It's important to take comparable home sales from your local area in order to price your home, not only for sale, but if you're considering refinancing your home as well and anticipating that appraisal. The real lesson from 2019 is that our market still favors sellers, but is becoming increasingly inventory sensitive. A small increase in the number of homes on the market certainly had an influence on how much homes sold for. If you'd like information about how your community fared in the 2019 housing market and how 2020 looks, shoot me a message.